Hey, it's me Sahil and you are watching Sahil Khatib YouTube channel. So if you don't know anything about Hustlers University, you should probably skip this video. Wait for the next one.
Feeling like I'm ready for the top. Got the pedal to the metal. I've been grinding non-stop, killing every instrumental, and I knew just
How I managed to get my first client within 5 days of joining HU. Mind you, before joining HU, I didn't know shit about copywriting. I've made a video when I joined HU 5 days ago. You can watch it. I've explained what to expect before joining. It's on my channel or I'll link it below. So personally me, I hate learning. I used to hate learning in school as well. My teachers used to hate me in school. But if a person like me can learn in there, anyone can learn in there. It's really easy. It's just been 5 days and I already have a potential client. Really excited to serve this company. I'm really excited to serve this company in hope of getting a potential future big client. To save my time, I skipped through some of the copywriting learning stuff because as I said, I am not a good learner. I skipped through a few days after joining. I skipped through them and I mainly focused on how to get the clients. Now I reach out to prospects every day and I learn the skill daily as well. So I'm doing both the things simultaneously. So it's time management for me. You should also consider that. Don't join HU if you are just gonna be motivated for the day to day. If you can't be driven no matter if you are feeling like working or not, then this place is not for you. This and if you work no matter how you feel, if you feel like working or not, I promise this will give you wings to fly. I'm sure making 10,000 a month is not that hard in there. And I'm not just saying that, it's proven. There are proofs of thousands of students making 10,000 a month. 87% of the active students makes loads of money there. It's not a scam for sure. You just have to follow the instruction they provide. You just have to sit in the passenger seat. They drive the car for you. Everything is guided through. Every little minor problem is given a solution to there. So if you were feeling like joining before and you were skeptical about it, this is the time you join. The value is really worth it. So if you wanna help the channel, you can use my link as well. It's an affiliate link. I will be linking it in the description. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to use my link. And if you like to have some fitness videos in your feed, be sure to subscribe me as well. I post regularly regarding fitness tips and stuff. Boys, I will see you inside. Peace.